What's that sound? Huh? Hey, that is clearly a newborn baby's cry. Where is it coming from? Did somebody give birth in the forest? Is that not Nnebe? That's Nnebe. What's she doing in the forest? That's somebody's child she has in that wrapper. Hey, I think Nnebe must have stolen somebody's child. She wants to go and sell it. No. No, I will not allow it to happen. That's an abomination. Such things cannot happen in this village. I did not even wipe my bum. Let me. Nnebe. Hey! Aru! Abomination! Jesus! Nnebe! Whose baby is this? Hey! You stabbed your own baby? Hey, whoa.
Oh, please, don't tell anyone of what you just said.
Shh! Nnebe! You have the mind to stab your own baby. I can't believe my eyes, Nnebe. This is an abomination. Hey, in this village, I am going to report you to the elders and the police. Jesus Christ.
I am sorry, Vicon. Please, don't.
What were you trying to do? Huh? You wanted to stab me? The people of this village will bury you alive for killing your newborn baby.
I don't understand. You have not reported me to the elders or the police yet?
Yes, I haven't. But that can change in a minute.
But why am I tied up like this?
Because I don't want you to escape or make another attempt at my life. Why I was thinking of how best to make good use of this opportunity you presented to me.
Oh. I will do anything. Just say it. I'll do anything to the last breath. I swear, please, do not expose me. Don't tell anyone. I don't want to be buried alive. Please. I'll do anything.
Shh. You just said you would do anything.
Yes.
If I don't expose you.
Yes, anything. Don't expose me, please. Anything you want.
I had to go to your house to confirm if you were telling me the truth. And when I got there, I saw where you delivered. But how come your tummy was flat? A few days ago I saw you and you were 9 months.
I wore a special girdle. I didn't want anybody to know that I was pregnant. I tried aborting this baby, but it just couldn't go. I am an orphan. Having a child will be a burden. Paul, please forgive me. Don't tell anyone, please. I beg you. Please. Don't do anything.
Give me your finger.
Huh?
I said, bring your finger. Now you listen to me. I want you to repeat after me. Do not hesitate. I will do whatever Paul tells me to do.
I will do whatever Paul tells me to do.
From this moment
From this moment
until my last breath. Say it!
until my last breath.
If I ever think otherwise,
Think otherwise.
let me drop dead before I pronounce my first word in disobedience. Say it!
Let me drop that before I pronounce my first word in disobedience.
So I vow
So I vow
and seal this vow.
and seal this
I
vow
by drinking from the cup of my own blood. Say it!
I drink from the cup of my own blood.
Good.
This is exactly 6 months you introduced sex into our deal. You blatantly refuse to either allow me come to your end or even come to mine for it. What is so special about this place in the forest that you always insist we do it?
Memory is a slave of conscience.
I don't get it.
This was the very spot where you buried your newborn child. So I bring you here to have sex on top of your baby's grave as a reminder that you are under my bondage for the rest of your life. And
only death can free me from that bondage.
That's good. You already understand the whole thing. And what was that smell?
that I almost got choked with while we were doing it. What was that? It was terrible.
I understand that you love humiliating me. But what you got today is what you deserve. Because when you called, I told you I haven't had my bath. But you insisted that I come here.
Henceforth, take your bath very early in the morning and keep it clean for me. Else, you won't like what I will do to you if I ever perceive such other again. Does it? Hey, bro.
Yes, bro. Oh, it's okay. It's all right. Yeah, you get one racket like that. I want to make we go align. Okay, no wahala. So where you there?
It's all right. Just wait there. I'll be there before you know it. All right, bro. One love. Bye for now.
Oh, I like the way you do it to me. Especially when you're doing it from behind. You're really good at it.
You are indeed more miserable than I thought. Gosh.
Does hear my guy?
Follow.
Does hear what, mama? My homie.
How far now?
Palliative woman.
How you doing?
I'm okay. I'm all right.
What's happening?
So what?
Hey, Agnes. How are you? Long time.
Good afternoon, fine sir.
It's been a long time. Good afternoon. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming back from school. We're done with our first semester.
Oh, that's nice. How was school?
Very well, sir.
Oh, that's nice. My regards to your people, okay?
Okay, sir.
You're
All
welcome, dear.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Okay, take care.
Okay, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, yeah, bye-bye.
Take care.
Bye-bye, sir.
Okada. Small, oh. Small.
Dossier. This girl abaka see. Hey! Wa abaka see. Dossier. Agnes is something else. She's not just beautiful. Agnes is reserved and well behaved compared to this other Umuatakate Lojuchana villager. And do you know she is the toast of many men? Yet, she is not involved sexually with anyone in this village.
Paul.
Hey.
Paul, is this you?
Agnes.
Paul.
Agnes.
I'm totally surprised. Coming from a serial womanizer like you. In fact, a chronic womanizer like you, who never had anything good to say about any girl in this village. Wow, I'm impressed. Paul, tell me the truth. What is going on?
Dossier, your guy here is in love. I am in love with Agnes. Can't you see it on my face?
You in love? Eh? How? What do you mean?
Dossier, listen. I am madly in love with Agnes. Yes, Dossier, I am madly in love with Agnes. Yes, you see, I've been looking for a way to talk to her, to make her understand how I feel. And I want you to, Imagono, Pico.
Paul, are you serious? Paul, my friend, in love. How?
As you see, Dossier, if Agnes should say yes now, I am going to make her my wife, my beloved wife. And I promise I will spend the rest of my life with her. I will never chase any other woman in this village, Dozie. Please, save your friend's soul.
All right, congratulations. Hey, Paul. I'm very, very surprised. Congratulations, my brother.
She is not my woman yet now.
You said you were in love with her and you're ready to make her your wife. So I said congratulations.
See, that is the issue right now. I had to call Ebuka on the phone, your younger brother. You know Ebuka and Agnes, they are quite close. I had to ask him if there is anything going on between him and Agnes. But to my surprise, he said, no, Mba, there's nothing going on between them. Isn't that wonderful?
Do you remember Agnes used to be my student?
Yes, now.
In fact, she's one of my students when I was teaching at that village secondary school.
I remember.
When I got disengaged, she joined some of the girls who came to take extramural lessons because of their JAMB exams. Then, Ebuka finally helped her gain admission in the university where he attended. One thing led to another, they became very close. And they've been friends ever since. But I don't think they have anything sexual going on. If they have, Ebuka would have told me.
Yes, he would. I trust Ebuka for that. He would. But now you and I know you are closer to, or close to Agnes. You are in a more comfortable state to talk to Agnes on my behalf. You know she respects you a lot as her former tutor.
So you want me to help you talk to Agnes? Paul, on one condition. She will not be a number in the statistics of girls you have used and dumped in this village. Promise me.
How can you say such a thing now? Have I ever told you I am in love with any girl in this village before? Dozie, if you succeed in getting her to agree, I swear, I will never chase any other woman in this village. All my life, it shall be Agnes and I till old age. I swear, Dozie. I swear. Dozie, save a soul. Biko, save a soul. I'm serious about this girl, though.
All right. I'll try to help you talk to her.
Yes, that's my guy. Dozie wa mama.
Agnes, this is very difficult for me to say, but trust me, you're not going to regret it. In fact, in saying this to you, I'm staking my integrity.
Brother Dozie, since we got here, you've been going on and on without saying anything.
I'm only trying to show you some respect.
You've shown me enough respect. Go ahead and tell me why you invited me here. I won't pick offense, I promise.
Okay, thank you. Well, it's not about me. It's about my friend Paul.
About your friend Paul?
Yes. He wants you to give him audience.
Audience to tell me what?
He really likes you and he wants you to give him a chance. Agnes! 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 Agnes, I'm talking to you!
Are you serious? Just like that?
Just like that. In fact, I almost followed her into her family house just to find out what I did or said wrong to her to have warranted such disrespect from her. But guess what? She didn't say a word. She didn't talk to me. She even walked out on me. I stood there embarrassed and confused. As we speak, I'm still very embarrassed.
Well, it is indeed confusing and embarrassing, like you said. But does you come to think of it? What could be the reason behind her disrespectful behavior towards you that she respects so much?
Paul, to be honest, I have no idea. I have no idea. In fact, I've called her over 20 times. She has refused to take my calls or return them. I'm tired.
That too? Ha! What if was serious? So. What is going on now? Guinea Nemezi. But you see, Dozie, I love that girl. I love her so much. And I am willing to do any...
Hey, listen, Paul. I've spoken to my brother Ebuka about her. And he promised to find a way out for you.
You didn't want me. Ebuka?
Yes.
Your brother?
Yes.
Ebuka that is in faraway Katsina, serving the country.
He returned earlier today. Yes, he's done with his postgraduate national service program.
Really?
Let me call him. Ebuka!
My man!
Ebuka!
Ebuka, come. Ebuka is back.
Yes, so he's now a big boy.
Come here, my guy.
Ebuka is now a big boy.
See Ebuka. You're not Ebuka. Come here. Is that what you're greeting me like? Congratulations to you, my brother.
Thank you, sir.
You've really tried. You know, before you were half graduate, now you're a full graduate. You're welcome. You're welcome.
I don't know why you did what you did. And I did not call you out here to blame you for that. You know I respect you a lot. But my brother was really embarrassed by what happened.
I was embarrassed too, Ebuka. In fact, I was doubly embarrassed. Embarrassed by what he said and what I had to do to him out of embarrassment.
I don't understand. I mean, the last leg of your last sentence is confusing to me.
I was expecting your brother to say that he loved and wanted me to be his girlfriend.
You mean...
I mean, your brother has been my secret crush for some time now. I do not just respect him. I have also fallen in love with him. It's him I want. It's him I want to be his girlfriend and not his friend Paul. I went to him yesterday, bursting with expectation that he was about to grant my innermost heart desire. You know, I was almost screaming out to him to say it when he was beating around the bush, like men do when they want to broach such topics with women. And I was also getting ready for our first kiss. And then he killed it all by telling me it was his friend Paul. Ebuka, I went home crying right inside my heart. I cried my heart out in disappointment the whole of the night. How could he?
Wait, Agnes, are you joking or something?
How dare you? How dare you?
Hey, Agnes, please. I am sorry. I didn't mean to make light of what you just told me. But this is very confusing to me and it is complicated because Paul is in love with you and he's my brother's friend.
You know what? I'm going home with you to see your brother. I will apologize to him myself and then talk with him about this face to face. I didn't mean to do what I did. I'm sorry I embarrassed you. But if I had spent 1 second more with you there, I would have said and done things I'd regret for the rest of my life. Like, this lady standing here has never been this serious all her life. I love you. It's you I want, not your friend Paul.
Agnes, you need to stop, please. Just stop. Stop this joke.
I'm not joking. I love you.
Agnes, Paul is my friend. My childhood friend. What you're asking me to do will only test our friendship beyond measures. If I as much as give it a listening ear, I do not want to betray my friend.
But do you at least like me?
Well, I like you, but
No, but please. You like me. And that's enough said. With just that, consider me yours already.
Agnes! Agnes!
what's wrong with her? Is she okay?
You just took the two questions right out of my mouth.
Agnes, what is the meaning of this now? Why are you kneeling down? We are in public, for Christ's sake. What was this now?
I'm not going to stand up until you promise me.
Promise you what again, Kwa? What do I have that you want me to promise?
Promise me. No. Swear to me that you will do whatever I beg of you.
Okay, fine. I swear. Stand up.
You swear with everything you hold there and every honor in you.
Yes.
That you will do whatever I ask, no matter how difficult it is.
Yes, I swear with everything I hold there and everything I cherish in this life. Just stand up. Stand.
Thank you so much. God will bless you today, tomorrow, and forever.
Should I say amen? Amen. But what was it you wanted to say that made you to go down on your knees?
I want you to follow me to Dozie and tell him that you're leaving me for him.
What do you... Me? Follow you? You must be joking, Agnes.
No, I'm not joking. I'm not joking, sir. It is him I love. It is him I want to be his woman, for better, for worse.
Agnes, Metufiakwa, clean your mouth. What did you just say?
Look, I respect you a lot. But I can't date you.
Yeah.
I have secretly admired Dozie for over a year now. Please do it for me. Do as if just sworn to me.
That one is difficult. I swore without knowing what you wanted to ask for.
Then I'm not going to get up from here until you do what you promised me. Else the entire villagers will gather here for you and I.
Agnes, what is it now? How do you want me to accept such a request? You know me, I love you too, and you're telling me it's just Dozie you want.
But you swore. Please.
I said yes without knowing what you wanted to ask for. Well, it's obvious you've made up your mind. What can I do now? Stand up, because stand up. See, people are coming. People are beginning to return from the market. Stand up. Just stand up.
Please, let's go now.
Ozubo.
So, this palm wine, it doesn't look fresh.
Yeah, I don't. Maybe I say that man don't they miss something for this palm wine. It's too sweet.
It doesn't taste fresh.
Dozie, my dear friend, I know what you want to say. There won't be need for that, okay? Can I have your hand?
My hand, I beg your pardon.
Give me your hand.
What's wrong with this one?
Paul, what are you doing? Paul, what are you doing? What is the meaning of this?
My dear friend, from the deepest part of my heart, I am willingly giving her to you. You are the one she is in love with, not me. As a matter of fact, I swore it to her with every honor in me. Please, reciprocate her love.
Paul, are you alright? Is everything okay with you? What are you doing?
What every dear friend should do, under the circumstance which the pool of her heart has created for you and I, Dozie. Her love for you is pure and noble. Please, cherish that.
Paul, in God's name, have you asked me questions like,
Dozie, do you love her? Is the feeling mutual?
If it is not yet mutual, then you must learn how to love and take good care of her. Dozie, if you cherish our friendship, please reciprocate her love. I beg of you.
Paul!
Ebuka, I understand how awkward this is for Dozie. Come, let's give them some space. Come. Come.
Onye na-aga? Onye? Onye dịka? Onye enwerela akụkụ m. Onye? Onye? Nano, onye ori. Enwerela akụkụ m. Onye? Onye? Ọkụkụ a? Mmadụ anwụla. Ya nụ o! Ndị ọjọọ anwụla ọkụkụ m o!
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
Hey!
Onyoshi, foul thief.
What are you doing in my house? Why are you calling me names?
Onyoshi, a very heartless one at that. Hey!
How dare you come into my compound and you are calling me names? Why are you calling me names? Oh. How dare you?
He shocked you.
Eh?
He shocked you? Eh? Let me tell you. I saw you 4 days ago at the blind woman's house. I recorded you while you were stealing this fowl. Hey! How could you? A blind woman's fowl. Ijoka, Ori Nkegi Gara University. Hi!
I'm sorry. Please, don't expose me. Please, I beg you. I will do anything for you, please. If you spare me the shame.
Well, I saw your daughter Agnes on my way to this place. Yes, she was going to the market. I don't want her to come here and see us having this discussion. Okay?
Wait. What happened was, she told me everything. What happened before they had relationship with Dubem. Please, I can still get her back to you, please.
Get who?
Yes.
I was never with Agnes. Yes, Agnes is now with my friend Dozier. Someone Dozier has knocked left, right, back, front. As I speak to you, Dozier has knocked everything inside Agnes's body. Now, Agnes. Ta!
Oh, please, what are you up to? Please.
Well, Onyoshi Okoko, since you decided to steal a blind woman's fowl, when today is not your birthday, it is our Lord's birthday, and you're busy stealing fowl as if it's your birthday. Well, Merry Christmas to you. Continue, but you will hear from me soon.
Hey.
I hear you, Professor Nwoka Onyori, number 1. You deserve a crown. Let me take one final shot. Smile for me, Mama. Smile now. You don't want to smile? I will shout, oh. I will shout, oh. Smile. Now so, the fowl is dead. I would have asked the fowl to smile too. I got Godiwa. Hey. Confirm. My God! Dozier, I'm alright. What's up with the chicken?
Well, it's Christmas. I'm trying to make some chicken stew with this in it.
That sounds good. I hope you add beans to it. What's up? Dozier? What is it? Why are you looking at her like that?
I have never seen a girl as wayward and lousy as she is. I hate her so much.
Dozier, I don't know you to be so expressive of your word when it comes to other people. What's going on?
Nothing. I just hate her to a ball-busting point.
Okay. Let me ask you. What if you find out she and Ebuka or someone very close to you are dating?
Don't even say that again. That's impossible. I know my brother. He can't do anything like that.
Okay, what if by any wide chance that becomes the case?
Paul, I said it's not going to happen. Let's change this topic, I beg.
No. Okay,
just goes around the...
You sound so sure of what you hold against this girl. Well, I leave you to that. Let me quickly go home, drop something, then I will come back to the house.
Come back to which house?
This chicken together and...
Come back to which house?
To your house now.
Which chicken?
This is Christmas, bro.
What chicken are you talking about?
This is the Lord's birthday, bro.
The one you bought. Come now.
Your thing is my thing now.
Hungry man. The one that you
I will be the one to kill the chicken.
The one that you bought.
Dozier? Don't joke.
Hungry man.
No wahala. Let me be a hungry man for now. I'm coming before you know it. In fact, I'm running home with speed. The speed of light. I'm coming back.
Okay, bro, no problem. Now, I will let you know once they send their own part of the deal. No wahala. Okay, no problem. I'll call you back later in the evening, okay? Good. What took you so long?
I am sorry. I told you I have something on fire when you called, but you insisted I come over. Today is Christmas.
Don't ever keep me waiting again.
I'm sorry.
Don't think of it.
I'm sorry. I am ready.
For what?
Sex. Isn't that the only reason you invite me over here?
Will you cover that smelling thing? Cover it! Hurry up! I don't have time for that shit. Good. Now you listen to me. I ask you to come here because I want to give you an ultimatum.
An ultimatum?
You have between now and 31st of January to make Ebuka become your boyfriend. Make him fall for you.
Ebuka, does this younger brother? You know, it's not possible. Whenever you send me to sleep with married and unmarried men in and outside of this village to make money and bring to you, does they usually cut me in the act? And his hatred for me is so obvious that you cannot even miss it. I can see the disgust on his face whenever I get close to him.
I know.
You know?
He told me.
He told you?
Mm-hmm.
And you're still ordering me to go after his younger brother. Paul, does you will not accept the reality of Ebuka becoming my boyfriend? After all the disgusting things he has seen me doing, please, don't ask for the impossible. I can do something else for you and not that.
Now you listen to me. Do whatever you must to make it possible. Involve the most malevolent of spirits if you want. But you must make Ebuka fall in love with you.
And do not forget the oaths you took and its consequences if you do not adhere to my instructions.
You don't need to remind me.
Good. That was what I expected. Good luck.
Ebuka, if it's something we can discuss over the phone, I won't have been insisting we'll meet and talk about it physically. Listen, I promise you, what I have to tell you won't take up to 5 minutes of your time. Blackmail? God forbid! Why would I want to do a thing like that? Okay, I swear with everything I hold sacred that I have no intention of blackmailing you. Trust me. You have agreed to meet me? Yes. Yes, my place, yes, my place. Thank you so much. Thank you for agreeing to meet at last. God bless you, Ebuka. God bless you so much. I appreciate. God bless you. Thank you. Yes, I'm right home. Yes, I'm at home. You're coming right away? Yes, God bless you. God bless you so much. Thank you. I hope this perfume will work as the Dibia said it would. After so many weeks of trying and failing to as much as to get him to hear me out. This is a great opportunity to get Ebuka to become my boyfriend. Just as Paul wanted. And I promise myself I will not mess up in any shape or form this time. God, please forgive me. Forgive me for turning diabolical just to get him back to be mine. Please, help me, God. Just help me so that this perfume will work.
Nneka, what in God's name are you? Does it? Stand up. Follow me. Let's go.
Go to where? What happened?
Ebuka and Nneka happened. Let's go, no time.
Paul, I've always warned you to stop mentioning my brother and that horse name in the same sentence. What is it?
You're here warning me not to mention their names in the same sentence. Why, as I speak to you, Ebuka is banging Nneka. Left, right, up, down. Stand up, let us go.
But what type of joke is this now?
And who says I'm joking?
What type of joke is this?
Do I look like a joker? I am telling you, Ebuka and Nneka, they are dating. They are lovers. Stand up, Ebuka will get that girl pregnant too. Let's go.
Where are they?
At Nneka's house, you're still asking me.
Let's go. Go where? Let's go home. Go where for what?
Are you crazy? Look at this small boy. Is it?
Yeah, let's go. Are you not the one to see the wife from me?
That bitch is your girlfriend, right?
She's my girlfriend, yes.
Are you mad?
Are you mad? Are you mad? Paul, please stop. He's your friend. Please.
Are you talking back at me? Are you stupid?
And what's all this now? What's all this?
All this suffering and sacrifice.
Too much, oh.
That's it. Mama, talk to your son.
What is it? Mama, okay. You're supporting the
No
problem.
Ebuka, go. I'm ashamed of you.
Let's go and show that. Ebuka, go. He's going.
Stupid boy.
Go, let's go and show that. Nonsense.
This that guy never gives you that money.
You never pay me. Omo, wait till I go do that guy, eh?
No worry. Don't talk too much.
I dey para like this now.
Calm down. Don't talk too much. I don't want you to give him that money.
They come. God don't punish him. It's a happens.
Chill.
Guy, wait. Yeah. Cook it.
Wait.
I'll follow you. Come. You don't want to give me my money. I'll be waiting to happen.
Boss, calm down now. I don't tell you I will give you your money. Huh? Calm down. Wait, because of 10k you go they harass me anywhere now. I'll give you, just give me 2 weeks. Calm down. After all, now federal government they see the old people.
See, you be like you're crazy. So, guy, wait. Come. Wait. The friend, Wait, go down now. Wait, bring me down. Go Come on. You didn't mad.
You are wicked. You are selfish. You have no forgiving spirit inside you. But one thing for sure, one day, monkey go market, you no go return. People, beware of him. He's a wolf in sheep clothing. Ole go beware of him. He is not whom you think he is. He's opposite of what you thought of him. His own friend refrained. Opportunity no they pass you by. Evil masters, that's who you are. Walking to and fro, looking for who to devour. With your evil, Paul, why?
Ebuka, what happened?
Huh? Who did this to you?
Bros, it's G and Otaka.
So Choma wasn't lying. Where are they? Let's go, show me. Hey! Stop that. What happened now?
Wait.
I spoke with the DCO this morning, and he reliably told me that those 2 terms will not be granted bail. This should serve as a lesson to Chukwuebuka. It is high time you stop bringing troubles upon yourself.
No. Tell him. I don't know why Chukwuebuka has chosen to bring in problems to me. Pains in this house. Tell him, oh.
Mama, it's okay. I believe he has learned his lessons.
Next time you try this nonsense, Ebuka, next time you try this nonsense, I will rain curse on you. I will curse you. I will so curse you. What kind of nonsense is this?
Mama, it's okay. It hasn't gotten to that. Everybody knows Jimmy is a serial troublemaker. It's okay.
I thank God for sparing your lives. And at this juncture, I will leave because we have a meeting, serious meeting with the PG of our community.
No, thank you so much. Thank you so much for showing up on us. I'm very grateful.
Thank you, it's my duty. I'm only doing my duty.
Uncle, thank you so much.
I almost ran out my skin the moment Choma called to inform me. I felt scared I was going to lose you.
It's okay, my love. I'm here now.
But why and how did Ebuka get involved with touts? He's a guy I knew to be brilliant and selective with the kind of people he mingles with.
I really can't tell, my love. All I know is I have to work harder. I have to put more effort to ensure that I provide for us. Ebuka doesn't have to mingle with touts to earn a living. I have to double my hustle.
It's okay. It's fine. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Just take it easy. Alright?
Thank you.
If only you knew what is coming after you, Dozier and Agnes. If only you knew what I have in stock for 2 of you. If only.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
Oh, no. Babapo, nothing. Forget that one. So, what's the latest?
Good. Ebuka. You remember Ebuka, right?
Yeah, Dozier's younger brother.
Good. He's going to approach you guys for a loan of 10,000 naira.
For who? Where we go from get that kind of money? 10,000 naira.
Not to worry. I have it here with me. Yeah, that's the sum of 10,000 naira. Make sure you handle your own side of the deal.
Well, as for me and Jimmy, our side go tight. But the part where I want here now be say, how much be the deal?
50K.
50K?
Yes.
Deal?
It's a deal.
A done deal.
Good.
Now, waiting be the racket.
Beautiful. Ebuka came to me to lend him the sum of 10,000 naira. I asked him to come over to the house later for the money. So when he comes, I would direct him to you people. that is when you lend him this 10,000 naira. You know, he has been having some issues with his elder brother, Dozie. He has been the one funding him. Good?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
Fine. So, give him the money and we'll pick it up from there.
Okay. Like I said, our side go tight. Jimmy, I will relate to Jimmy about this. But be rest assured, say, it will work.
Good.
No wala. Papalo.
If only Dozie knew that I manipulated Nneka into going to a very notorious Dibia to procure a very powerful charm with which she charmed Ebuka into falling in love with her. So deeply in love that, despite the heated opposition Dozie raised against their relationship, with the total support of his mother, their uncle, and his family, Ebuka still went back to Nneka the next day, begging and crying to her not to leave him. They have been secretly seeing each other since then. Not just that, I equally used Nneka to manipulate Ebuka into spending a lot in less than 3 weeks after they started dating in his desperation to please her. The 10,000 naira that got him into the net of Jimmy and Otaka was a loan he had to take in order to get something for Nneka, something she insisted he must get for her, else she will leave him. I got her to make that demand and insist on it. Yes, I am behind everything, and that was not even all. As I was starting the fire that is now burning in your family and threatening to consume all of you in the family, I have been busy too, plotting a similar thing in Agnes's own end.
You want to know the reason behind my unscheduled visit?
Yes.
I have decided on what I want you to do for me. Else, I will release those videos to the elders and the police.
Tell me, what is it? Tell me what you want me to do, and I will do it right away.
You don't have a choice.
Actually, I don't have any choice.
Good. I want your daughter Agnes to leave Dozie.
Oh my God. Paul.
What has God got to do with this?
What you're asking is very, very impossible. Paul, please. Dozie and my daughter are deeply in love. Please, it's very, very impossible.
You have to make it possible.
How? Except if I poison my daughter, or you poison Dozie.
I don't want anybody dead. I only want Dozie to suffer. Yes.
God, please help me. I don't know what to do. I don't know what else to do, honestly. These people are so much in love. I don't know how to separate them. If you have any idea, please, you bring it so that we can work together. I don't even want to kill my own daughter.
I have a wonderful idea.
Go ahead and tell me, please.
Good. I have spoken to Victor to pick interest in your daughter Agnes.
Victor, the son of the rich man, Mr. Okoye.
Bam.
Ah.
Yes. Okay. I want you to do your possible best for Victor to take Agnes from Dozie.
That would be possible. That would be very, very impossible.
You don't have a choice, Madam Imuka. You see, your daughter Agnes don't like Victor. At the sight of Victor, she gets irritated. That is where you come in. You don't have a choice. You must make this thing happen. Make your daughter to leave Dozie. Okay?
But I told you.
If you don't do it, I will release those videos to the elders and the police. And you know what will come after that. Goodbye.
Oh, please. What problem is this? What kind of problem did I put myself into? What is all this? How am I going to separate two of them? It's very, very impossible.
He is not whom you think he is.
Madam Inwuka and Victor have since gone into alliance for me to achieve my desire. I have been supplying them with ideas. It is only a matter of time, and crisis will become the second name of you two. Fools, you rejected me for him, Agnes. But I swear with my life that you will never have peace as long as I live. Both of you will never.
Looking for who to devour with your evil ball why? Akwanyakana bosara Kikaneche onye makoga dia Achiche melifa boloke.
Eh? Maka, why? What for? So Jimmy attacked you in that manner because of common 10,000 naira. Obelego, my love. Is it that bad?
Babe, if it was that common, I would have given it to him now. Though he was wrong to have attacked me and injured my elder brother because of the money I borrowed from him.
Yes, so what about him that goes around the village snatching people's phones and handbags? Or Onyoshi? Is he not a thief?
That one is his lifestyle.
Thank God you're not like him.
Although my brother wanted me to stay away from him, but I didn't listen. Now I've learnt my lessons.
Sorry. No. Ordinarily, I would have come to the house to sympathize with your brother. Man, your brother does not like me. So it's like pouring salt to the injury. It's better I sit in my house or to avoid insult. I don't know somebody.
Babe, salutation is not love. Yeah, if you love and respect me, then you should also respect and acknowledge my elder brother.
Okay, I've heard you. Sorry, I'm sorry. Hey, look at you. My baby. Hey! My one and only boyfriend in this whole village. My own baby. Odogum. Okam. Sorry, baby. I want you to give me 5,000 naira for my hair, dear. Huh? Baby, you're not saying anything. Don't worry, let me break it down for you. I want you to give me 5,000 naira. Huh? Baby, you don't have it. No 5,000 naira. No.
You are wicked, you are selfish. You have no forgiving spirit inside you. But one thing for sure, one day, monkey go market, you no go return. People, beware of him. He's a wolf in sheep clothing. Beware of him. He is not whom you think he is. He's opposite of what you thought of him. He's unfriendly friend.
I'm so tired. How is your hand? Sorry, Sorry.
Paul, I need some assistance. I need to sell my tricycle. Yes, I want to add the money to my savings for something important.
Dozie, first of all, I want to ask. All of a sudden, you've made up your mind to sell your tricycle. And what is that something that has propelled you to sell your tricycle just like that?
I need to relocate my brother from this village. He's gradually becoming a tout. And I'm not going to let that happen. So I need him to go to somewhere that will be useful to him. He needs to start working. Besides, the keke rider is not being accountable. And I can't continue to use him.
Dozie, let me remind you that our currency has no value. So I don't think you will be able to generate the kind of money you need after selling that keke. You understand? So I want you to think about it. Because after selling the keke, you might not be able to generate enough money that will guarantee Ebuka a new start in a new location.
So Paul, what's your point?
If you ask me, I suggest you sell your portion of the family land. At least that one will generate a huge amount of money. With that, you can send Ebuka overseas to further his studies. You know how smart your kid brother is now. That boy is very intelligent. Yes, leaving him here in Nigeria will be more detrimental to his future, as you're seeing already. And that is my honest suggestion as a friend and as a brother.
Paul, you have a point. But the challenge I have is my uncle. He's not going to buy the idea.
Your uncle? We are talking about your brother's future here. You're considering what your uncle will say or what he will say. Listen, let me tell you. You and Ebuka are grown-ups. Make up your mind on it collectively. You both can do the undoable. Stand on your ground. Onyewo your uncle. Talking about your brother's future. To make you generate enough money.
Dozie, I am warning you to abort the idea of selling that ancestral land. You can't afford to start disagreeing with your uncle. Yes.
Mama, spare me that boring uncle talk. Why do you keep calling his name? Mama, does he know how we survive as a family? What is he doing for us? Is he feeding us? No!
Chidozie, this was the same way you chose to be adamant. When I told you that it is a bad idea for you to buy a tricycle that you cannot drive by yourself. Or at least give it to your brother.
Mama, that is impossible.
Why?
I cannot allow my educated brother to become a commercial tricycle rider. We're not that stupid.
Chidozie. So, you're telling me that there are no other educated people out there doing menial jobs to survive? Let me tell you, you have to put away this unnecessary ego and take advice for once. I am warning you. Don't ever try to sell that land against your uncle's wish.
Brother, I think Mama is right. Maybe we should weigh other options. I mean, find other ways to generate money instead of selling that family land.
Ebuka, are you out of your mind? Are you the one saying this? I'm doing everything in my power to ensure that you have a good life. You have a better life. And you're saying this to me? You're talking about other options? Okay, no problem. I'm actually on my way to Uncle Nkando's house. If you like, come with me. If you like, sit down here and talk about other options.
Dozier. Chidozie. What is all this?
See, Mama, I understand what you're trying to say. And I also understand what my brother is also trying to say. I think it's best we put our heads together and find a way out of this, because even me, I'm not happy like this. I'm a graduate. I should be working. I should be supporting my family. Okay? Please, let's just find a better way, because as it is now, that family land is the only thing we have. That's the only thing we can even generate money from.
I thought by now your mother would have told you what my stand in this matter would be. The land in question is our ancestral land, given to us by our father, your grandfather. I cannot sit here and approve the sale of our ancestral land. Eh?
Uncle, I think you misunderstood me. I'm not saying I want to sell the entire land. I said, and I'll reiterate, I want to sell our own portion of the land. And these are my reasons. Ebuka has graduated from the university. There's no job. He doesn't have anything doing. My mother is equally struggling with her own business. And I am not financially stable right now. So I want to sell our own portion of the land so I can sort out my family problems.
My sons, we understand your plight. But coming to a land like that, you will need the complete approval of the source of this kindred for you to be able to sell that land. Without that permission, no way you can sell it.
Uncle, would you rather I watch my family suffer in hardship when there's a portion of land, our own portion of land, I can sell to raise money?
Chidozie and Chukwuebuka. There is no way an elder like me can stay at home and watch a she-goat deliver an istita. No amount of pressure will make me succumb to selling that land, be it known to you.
Uncle, I've heard you. Thank you very much. But for your information, I came here out of respect for you. I came to inform you first because you cannot stop me. I know my right. I am trying to sell our own portion of the land, not yours. And Uncle, you cannot stop me. I know my right. Ebuka, let's go.
Chidozie, will you come back? Chidozie!
Ebuka!
Ebuka!
Ebuka! Ebuka! Chinekene. When did this boy become so arrogant and disrespectful for him to walk out on us? When? Eh?
Nzekwe, don't mind. Only what they says, and you know it. When day breaks and the fowl in your house begin to pursue you, run as fast as your legs can carry you.
Run.
Because you don't know if it developed truth overnight. I know them. I know what they're doing. I understand them clearly. You know why they're doing all this? Because I have no male child. I have no son like them. That is the reason.
Don't say that.
But no problem.
Don't go that way. Don't go there.
Very soon, we'll know who is the true leader of this family. Hi!
Be fast. So that your father will give you phone to come back.
Nai, I thought you said you eat before going out.
I have changed my mind. I see now, after Kaubi, Leoba, I have a very crucial meeting with the woman now. Yes, with our kinsmen. And this is concerning those years' strange decision to sell off their own portion of our ancestral land. Yes.
Nai, Mama, left to me, I would say you should have a rethink about this whole issue. Duse is old enough to know what is good for him. If he resolves to sell the land to raise money, so be it.
Will you shut up? I can perceive you have no sense at all. In fact, I know the reason this boy is misbehaving this way. The reason is not far-fetched. It is because I have no son.
Hey. Papa. Don't you think you're blowing this matter out of proportion? Brother Duse is not a child, Papa. Whatever thing he wants to do, he must have his reason. You two can attest to all the help and support he gives to me each time I call him from school.
Will you shut up? Stupid girl. Why being so selfish? We're talking about a serious matter at hand. And you're talking about how he was giving you this and that at school. Nonsense. By the way, who even invited you in this matter? Who requested your opinion here? I'm asking you. Nonsense. Woman, I'm off like I said. And I will soon come back. Make sure the food is ready before I come back. I won't spend much time there. Are you hearing me? Chioma! Chioma! Bachara yago! Bachara yago!
Mama, Papa is blowing this whole thing out of proportion. It's too much. But Duse is not a baby. Even that much ogo. Every time gree, it's too much, Pico. Hey.
You must be rewarded according to your works. When I good and bad, all I need now will look good. Don't leave me. Please don't leave me. Please don't leave me. Don't leave me. If you leave me, I go die. If you leave me, I go die. If you leave me.
Victor, I said I am not interested. Is it by force?
Agnes, I'm sorry if it feels like I'm stalking you. I can't get you off my mind. I love you with every bit of my heart. All I ask is a little chance to prove it.
Victor, you're a nice guy. Everyone knows that. But my heart belongs to another. And there's nothing anyone can do about it.
See, Agnes, I am willing to take care of you. Give you and your mom the best of life that you deserve.
You know what? We're not doing this now. I have somewhere to go.
Please don't leave me. We are made for each other, baby. Don't leave me. Please don't leave me. 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 If you leave me, I go die. 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 Don't leave me. Please don't leave me.
Ebuka, where are you rushing to? I'm going to meet my uncle to talk to him about my brother's decision to sell the family's land. Yeah. And I'm not comfortable with that.
Why? Are you serious? Eh? See, let me tell you. I was the one that advised your brother, Dozie, to sell that land. Yes, and send you overseas. What are you talking about? Eh? Or are you not tired of this village?
See, I am tired though. I am, but why me? I mean, he's my elder brother, so if anybody should be the one making this travel move, it should be him, not me.
Ebuka, shine your eyes. Eh? Do not miss this God-given opportunity that comes but once. You hear me? I advise you start getting ready. Prepare your minds mentally, psychologically, you know what I mean, to travel overseas. I have gotten some buyers to pay for that land. You heard me? So, please
Do not delay your own destiny with your hands. You want to go? This is what I have to say.
I will talk to you later. I'll see you later. Think about it, oh. Think about it.
Mama, leave them alone.
Come back. Come back here. Come back here.
Mama, stop this now. Stop it.
What is your problem? Huh?
Mama, the decision is for everybody. It is in our best interest. Don't you understand?
Dozie, I have told you, this is not the right thing to do. You have chosen to be adamant. Why?
Mama, your sons escaped death over a week ago. I'm doing everything possible to ensure that it doesn't happen again.
I am still not comfortable with all this whole thing. Huh? We have been living in peace with your uncle ever since your father died. You can't just reel the whole thing because of your decision.
My mind is made up. And nothing is going to change it. I'm doing this for Ebuka. I'm doing this for all of us. We can't keep living in hardship.
Is it because your father is no more? Chidozie, if your father is still alive, would you do
Mama,
this?
don't ever mention that name here again. His failure as a father is what kept us where we are today.
Chidozie, please come back. Don't do this, please.
Agnes!
Mama?
Where are you going with that food flask?
I am taking food to my friend.
You are taking food to your friend. Agnes, I'm so ashamed of you. Mekwara no one get better. Your mates are there in the field working hard to make sure that their families are better. But you are here looking for someone to feed with my own food, Agnes. Eh?
Mama, where is all this coming from? And when has it become a crime to take food to my sick friend? Not just any friend. Dozier. Our Dozier.
Dozier. You are who Dozier? You will soon find out the answer to this question. By the time I am fully out for you, you will know. Oh yeah, carry the food, go and give to your less privileged boyfriend, Mother Teresa. Huh? Go now. Gaji Henry.
So Paul brought the buyers to me yesterday. We have concluded on the price. They like the land and they are willing to buy. And I have also contacted an agent to help with Ebuka's travel documents.
Look, there's nothing wrong with setting your brother up. But this isn't quite appropriate to me. You're the first son. You should be the one making the move, not Ebuka.
My love, I've thought about it. And I think Ebuka stands a better advantage. He has good academic qualification. Besides, I've always known him to be a very good boy. Not just good, he's also very smart. And don't forget, nothing is happening in this country. So I strongly believe he's going to excel when he gets there. So let him go.
And what about you? You intend to remain a motopack tout. Sorry, worker, isn't it?
No, my love. Not at all. I don't intend to remain a motopack worker. I intend to start up a business with part of the money realized from the sale of the land.
I'm not just okay with this whole idea. I was thinking that this would be a major breakthrough for you. For us. My mother is beginning to mount pressure on me to accept Victor's marriage proposal. I'm getting sick about that.
Agnes, I totally understand you. But trust me when I say this is going to work.
You'd better work out too. You'd better work out.
Hey! Nah.
Mama.
You didn't call to tell me that you're coming.
So sorry, ma.
You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Well, I've been calling Agnes since morning. She wasn't picking her call. So I decided to come around to check her.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
That's so thoughtful of you.
Thank you.
So, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
I sent her on an errand.
Okay.
She will soon be back.
Okay.
Okay? Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Please join me in the house and wait for her.
Okay.
Come in.
Mama, how are you doing?
You can see I'm fine. I'm fine.
Why not let me wait under the tree? Hey, don't worry. It's better under the tree, Mama. Yes, yes.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, Mama.
My dear, it bothers me so much. Chidozie has never disobeyed me before. And now the information spreading about is that I am the one masterminding the idea of him selling his own portion of land. How? How can I do a thing like that?
Why would that bother you? Why are you agitated over what people are saying? Moreover, Dozie is man enough to take decisions for himself. What you have to do now is to pray so that his plans will work. Forget about what people are saying.
Amen. Oh. Amen. I've been praying and I know that God will answer me. But another thing that is bothering me the most is your husband. Yeah. I don't know how to handle Okam, your husband. The other day, I saw him at the market square. I greeted him, but he never answered me.
Yeah. Because Okam can be like that. Eh? He can be like that. See, what matters most is that Ebuka and Dozie loves themselves so much. They are very, very affectionate about each other. Eh? And I trust them. They'll move this family forward. So that's very important now. And I pray you continue to pray for them. Back them up with prayer.
Yes, so I've been trying my best. I am doing it. Huh? I believe that God Almighty will surely see me through one day. My dear, what I want is for our family to be happy once again.
And we will. By God's grace, we will. Wrap up.
Thank you so much.
Anything for you.
I don't know what I could have done without you. Thank you. I appreciate.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
My son, you have seen the thing is even drying my skin.
But not so much. It's the season anyways.
I don't like Amaka.
Well, we are human beings. When it's raining season again, you say you don't like
it. Oh, here she is.
Welcome, Artus. I've been calling you since morning. You weren't picking your call. So I decided to come around and spend some time with you.
My son.
Ma. What is wrong with her? Is she okay?
She's fine, my son. It's one of those women monthly wahala. You understand now? Eh? She's been like that. Please, she will be. She's okay. No problem. Eh? She's very, very fine.
This way?
Yes. You may go now. I will talk to her. Go. Just go. She will even be the one to call you back. Okay?
Here's for your upkeep anyways.
All this for me? Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. God bless you, my son. Agnes, what was the meaning of that show you put up out there? Huh?
Mama, he should read the handwriting clearly written on the wall. He's not welcome here. And I'm sure he understands it.
Agnes, you are out of your mind. So you have now signed blood covenant with poverty, Agnes. Eh? To the extent that you now parade yourself in the entire community with a village tout. Motor pact out for that matter. Eh?
Mama, call him whatever you like. But he is 10 times the man Victor will never be. Please, I do not have strength for this conversation.
Sit down there and hear what I want to say. Come back here, Agnes. Hey, I've lost a daughter. Agnes wants to practice that love novels she normally read in my own house, forgetting that I'm the one that breastfed her. It's my breast that she sucked. Now she has grown so much that she doesn't want to listen to my advice. You will come back here and meet me, oh. You will go and come back here and meet me. I'm waiting for you.
Paul, I really want to thank you for making this happen. So I've sent money for Ebuka's travel documents and he'll be going to Canada very soon.
That's a good news. You see, this is the best decision you made for your family. Forget about the critics. Soon they will come applauding when this whole thing starts yielding fruit.
Well, I understand you, but I'm not sure Agnes is happy about my decision. She feels I should have given myself, the opportunity, as opposed to sending Ebuka to Canada and staying behind.
Does it forget about Agnes? No woman should compromise the bond you have with your first family. It is very, very important. Bikokwa.
Well, I don't think Agnes is that type of a woman. She's only insecure.
Which woman wouldn't want her man to be the source of wealth in his extended family? Tell me, which woman? Forget about how she feels for now. And let's stay focused. Eh?
Sometimes I wonder how you coexist with your women. You're very stiff. You need to be flexible. Women are soft. You need to be a bit romantic with them.
Please don't go there. Forget me. Talking about romance. See, I have a piece of advice for you. It is high time you stopped your brother Ebuka from seeing that worthless girl in Nneka. That girl is possessive. Nothing good, nothing good comes out of that girl. For his own good, though.
I called for this meeting to inform both of you that I have sold the family land. Yes. I used part of the money to pay an agent for Ebuka's travel documents. I intend to keep some of the money for my new business and give you the rest for your upkeep.
Brother, thank you so much. God bless you. I am very, very grateful for everything you have been doing for this family, even before now. May God in heaven, who sees what we do in secret, reward you abundantly.
Mama, I totally understand your worries. But I want to assure you that I will never be a rebellious son to you. Everything I'm doing is for the growth of this family.
Thank you, my son. Thank you so much. It is my wish to see both of you succeed and enjoy that which my late husband and I could not give to you. If selling the ancestral land will brighten the future of this home, so be it. We've tried.
Mama, I am glad we understand each other. In other words, we're on the same page. Thank you very much. Ebuka, I need a favor from you. It is time to stay away from that worthless girl called Nneka. Please.
Yes, my son, you're right. Tell him, I don't know if that girl has tied his brain somewhere. I don't know.
Mama. How can you say a thing like that? Isn't it a crime to be in love with a woman?
Will you shut up? Shut up and listen to your brother.
No, Mama, but...
Hey, Ebuka, we're not debating this. You have to do what I asked you to do.
Mama, in 2 weeks' time, Ebuka will be on his way to Obodo.
Hey! I am so happy! That boy is so selfless. And I put...
Hey! How many times have I warned you to stay clear? To stay away from those rebellious boys. But you refuse to hear me.
Papa, how do you expect me to stay away from the only brothers I have? And when was so...
Will you stop your mouth? Shut up! How dare you talk when I'm talking? What do you know? Eh? Choma? What do you know? Now get inside the house. Get inside the house!
Nah, you're getting easy. Those boys are her brothers. Also, someone know well. It's not fair. How can you talk to that girl like that?
Map you want to know, man. Map you want to go. Nonsense woman. This is what you teach my daughter. This is what you teach her. I gave her simple instruction and you're the one asking her not to obey my instructions. What's wrong with you? Naya, you are leaving me with one option. Just one option. Send you on holidays to your father to go there and stay for all I care for eternity. And I take my time and marry a woman that should be obedient and respectful to me. Nonsense. Don't worry. No. Inasibo. Inasibo for what? Get out. For lying. God bless you.
It's not me. Those boys are her brothers. So all of whom one know well. Where was she ought to be happy that they are progressing.
What?
Babe, I want you to tell me the truth. Did you tell anybody about my brother's plan to send me to Canada?
No. Why do you ask?
It's nothing. It's just that it's confidential for now. I don't want anybody to know about it. My family don't want anybody to know about it. You know, to avoid it getting into the ears of our enemies.
So, baby, you seriously want to travel and leave me here? So, you want to travel and start enjoying life with those white girls? And by the time you come back and make it big, your mother and brother must have gotten a new girl for you.
Come on, baby. You know that can never happen. I can never leave you for any girl in this world. Okay?
See, me, I know what you want to do. In fact, I know what your brother wants. He wants to separate us. I know he hates me with passion.
Babe, see, my brother does not hate you, okay? You just need to understand him.
You see? That is my problem with you. Your brother is always deciding your life. You never see anything wrong with that. Well, I won't be saying make you sure they send me money. Because me, I need money for upkeep.
It's okay, you know. My money is your money. Huh? In fact, I'll give you my ATM.
now you leave me all alone in this village. I'll just be lonely. I know these people don't like me.
It's okay. I'll be calling you every day.
I learned, Dozie, your cousin, is planning on sending his younger brother abroad.
That was what I heard from my daughter too. Yes, I heard it from her.
You mean they did not inform you first?
What were you thinking? I have become their arch enemy. Enemy number one. Simply because I stood against their selling their ancestral land. That's all. What if also?
Okando, I think your nephew has a good reason for selling their own portion of the land. If you ask me, and to think of it, then they can acquire more lands. If their plan turns out successful, they can get more land.
It seems, in a sudden, you don't even understand my point of grief. You don't understand where I am pained most. Those boys did what they did simply because they want to make mockery of me.
Why? Why?
For not being able to have a male child. That is it.
You are taking this thing out of proportion. Yes, you and I know that is not true. You know it. Dozie and his brother have always acknowledged you. They love you.
Hold on. On whose side are you now? Because I can see you talking from both sides of your mouth. On whose side are you? Are you on the side of these boys? The way they make mockery of me, disobey me, and treat anything concerning me with utmost disrespectfulness. What's wrong with you? What are you even talking about? Are you trying to justify the actions? Were you paid to say what you are saying now? Talk to me, I said, were you paid to say what you are just telling me now?
You better calm yourself down. Calm yourself down.
You seem to know about the family more than I do. What's wrong? They sent you to also add salt to the injury I already sustained.
Where's the injury?
Let me tell you the truth. Let me just respect you because you came to me. If this were to be on the road, I would have told you who I am. In fact, you're not saying about here. Nonsense. No interrogation. CID. This is a point. Go and tell them that you didn't see me.
You are wicked, you are selfish. You have no forgiving spirit inside you. But one thing for sure, one day, monkey go market, you no go return. People
Ebuka. Are you in a hurry to somewhere? Is there any problem?
Paul, there's a problem.
Ogenekwa.
See, Paul, I know that you are good friends with my brother and that he listens to you. Please, can you talk to him for me? I don't understand why my brother hates Nneka so much. Tell him to accept Nneka as my woman. Because the way my mother and my brother despise that lady is unbearable.
Ebuka, is that why you are agitated?
Yes!
Ebuka, again, listen. I have told you times without number. To live your life as an adult. You're a grown-up man, for crying out loud. You know your brother Dozie has this domineering attitude. He always wants to tell people what to do and what not to do. But soon, you will leave this country to Obodo Yibo. And I wish you all the best. By God's grace, you will make all the money there in Obodo Yibo Egombute. By then, let me see how your brother Dozie will want to control you, to tell you, Ebuka, sit down, Ebuka, stand up, Ebuka, menka, Ebuka, emelenk. Calm down. Do you understand? You know, when you want something, you behave like Mugu. You know how Mugus they behave now? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because you need something. Right now, concentrate. Don't get distracted. Okay? You know you're my guy now. I will give you the best advice. I even you're closer to me than anyone else in this. My guy.
So
So relax.
You are more than a friend to us. You're like family.
I know. No
That's why I'm telling you everything, so that you can still talk to my brother for me.
No wahala. I will talk to him. I will talk to him. But see, let me tell you, I've been thinking, because I know when you go over there now, you will forget your real guy, Polo. Don't forget me.
Not possible.
It's only one Polo we have in this whole kindred. No. Don't forget me.
Not possible.
No wahala. No wahala, because when you people leave this country now to Obodo Yibo, you will now go there and forget your real homies. Forget your guy.
Sorry. Please. Sorry for everything. Look, I've warned him. And I promise it's not going to happen again.
Agnes, it's not just about Victor coming to ridicule me. It's also about your mother going to confront my mother. Against me coming close to you.
My goodness. How come I'm just hearing that for the first time? That's too much.
Please, don't go confronting your mother about this. It will only make her hate me the more.
I have an idea.
Please don't leave me.
What could that be?